How to merge lists into a list of tuples. What is the Pythonic approach to achieve the following? Each member of list_C is a tuple, whose first member is from list_A and the second is from list_B.
In Python 2. In Python 3.
In Python 3.0, zip returns a zip object. You can get a list out of it by calling list zip a, b.
You can use map lambda. This will also work if their lengths of original lists do not match.
You're looking for the built-in function zip.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.